Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Google Chrome browser performance issues step by step in 2026. If Chrome feels slow, freezes, or struggles with multiple tabs, it can be caused by memory overload, extensions, outdated software, or browser misconfigurations. Let's go through the solutions to speed it up. First, check your system resources. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager. Look at CPU, memory, and disk usage. If Chrome is consuming too much memory, close unnecessary tabs or background applications. Next, disable unnecessary extensions. Click the three dots, go to More Tools greater than Extensions, and turn off or remove extensions you don't use. Heavy or poorly optimized extensions can drastically slow down Chrome. Clear cached data and cookies. Go to Settings, greater than Privacy and Security, greater than Clear Browsing Data. Select All Time, then clear cached images, cookies, and site data. This removes old files that may cause lag. Turn off hardware acceleration if needed. Go to Settings, greater than System, and toggle off Use Hardware Acceleration when available, then restart Chrome. Sometimes GPU conflicts can reduce performance. Make sure Chrome is up to date. Click the three dots, go to Help greater than About Google Chrome, and install updates. Updated versions improve speed and fix performance bugs. Check for malware or unwanted software. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Cleanup Computer, then click Find. Chrome will detect software that may interfere with performance. If performance issues continue, reset Chrome settings. Go to Settings greater than Reset and Cleanup greater than Restore settings to original defaults. This disables extensions and restores default settings without deleting bookmarks or passwords. Finally, consider upgrading system hardware if your computer is low on memory or CPU power. More RAM or a faster processor can significantly improve Chrome performance. And that's how you fix Google Chrome browser performance issues step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Chrome tips and troubleshooting tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.